The legal term is habeas corpus, used in the U.S. Constitution to ensure those imprisoned have the right to appear before a court to determine if their detention is legal. It is often referred to as part of due process.
Due process is a hallmark of our country, has been for a very long time, and people are entitled to it, plain and simple.
But the Trump administration has been deporting migrants with little or no due process. The administration has cited an 18th century law known as the Alien Enemies Act to declare that undocumented migration into the U.S. is effectively an invasion, attempting to invoke a part of the Constitution that allows habeas corpus to be suspended during a, quote, rebellion or invasion that threatens public safety.
Well, the Constitution is clear, and that, of course, is the supreme law of the land, that the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus can be suspended in a time of invasion. So I would say that's an option we're actively looking at. Look, a lot of it depends on whether the courts do the right thing or not.
Courts have been skeptical and have placed limits on deportations under the Alien Enemies Act. The administration is appealing those decisions, and critics argue the administration has been ignoring court orders, including the case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, deported to a prison in El Salvador without a court hearing. Courts have ordered the administration to facilitate the return of the man, but the administration has resisted.
It just sets a really, really scary precedent if we can just send anybody we want overseas and not give them any due process. And then once they're there, we just say, oh, we can't do nothing about it. Oh, we messed up, sorry, oh well.
Trump argues holding trials for large numbers of migrants would be too unwieldy.
We'd have to have 1 million or 2 million or 3 million trials. We have thousands of people that are some murderers and some drug dealers and some of the worst people on earth. Some of the worst, most dangerous people on earth. And I was elected to get them the hell out of here, and the courts are holding me from doing it.
Critics say everyone in the U.S., regardless of immigration status, should have these basic constitutional rights.
If you deny the constitutional rights of one man, you threaten the constitutional rights and due process for everyone else in America.
The White House move to suspend these basic constitutional rights comes as the administration is exploring more mass deportations to countries including Rwanda and Libya. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Washington.